Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out another tie-dye. There we go, that's better. Okay, all fixed up now. Got good water pressure outside with the medium cool water. Gonna be moving inside to the warm in a second. Hot water. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. So pretty. So beautiful. We are very excited about these.
See, I can't work with black anymore unless we put super clear in it.
Yeah. Well, it's got super clear in it now. We went ahead and mixed a whole bunch of new dyes yesterday after we got done recording. We mixed a lot of our new dyes that you'll probably see in our unboxing video sometime this week. Whole bunch of new stuff, new upgrades. To the inside?
To the inside.
Let's go. Got it inside with the warm water, getting it unbanded. Get it unbanded. Very excited to see how this one turned out. I think all these are going to do quite well though. Keeping with our trend of the new black. Don't worry, next week we won't be using black, but just wanted to mix it up for a few weekends, you know. Haven't been using black too often, so nice to change things up a little bit. We've got some new recording equipment on the way, all sorts of new stuff. We really need to go through and just show y'all all the new stuff. We did display all our dyes and new dyes in the video that's coming through. Look at that. How beautiful. Ooh, nice. I like that. What's the other side? Cool. That's awesome. Nice.
I like it.
I do too. That was really good. Really, really good. Oh yeah. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Okay, that came out pretty good. I do say so myself. Not too bad, I should say. The colors kind of bled a little bit, just because that's what happens when you use black like this. It kind of bleaches over all the colors, and it definitely overtakes like the hot pink. You can barely see it on camera. In person, you can see it pretty well, but on camera, you can't see it that well. But yeah. Yellows and blues all look good. Nice little tricolor black hole. Yep. Good coloration on the sleeves. Nice little sunburst, starburst pattern. But yeah. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.